So yeah, we were talking about the option thing. Let me just delete and everything, clear everything. So if you click on OPTN, this option button, you will see different things here: list, mat, calculate, you calculate something, statistics. Move forward with F6. So probability is something which is hidden here, means the combinations and permutations calculations, factorial calculations. So you can just click on this F3 because it is just above F3. I'm gonna click F3. So if you find out 5 factorial, so I'm gonna click F1 and I have the answer. If I want to find out 10 P2, so I'm gonna click F2 now and then 2, 90. So this way you can actually, so it was covered in OPTN. You can click on OPTN and explore everything. If you go to F1, it will ask you for the list, which is not required right now, but yeah. MAT matrices, you can find out different things. Exit. CPLX is complex, absolute value, argument, conjugate, etc. Exit. Calc. What is this calc mean? Look, calc means calculus. You can solve or d over dx, double derivative or integration, right? We'll come back to this later. Same with stat. And here we discussed already. So there are lots of things actually. So of course everything you don't need, but you can explore. Okay, let me just walk you through towards the graph. So I'm going to click on menu and I'm going to graph. So here you see y1, y2, y3, y4, y5. And there are so many curves which you can enter, but make sure there is nothing entered already. If there is something, please delete. So let's say 5 was entered, and but you don't need that. Please delete that. Go up and look, del means for F2. So it will ask you F1. So just get rid of it. Now this x, theta, and t will act as the variables what we want to use. So I'm gonna, because if you see in the type option, there are many types of equations you can enter: y, r, parametric, etc. So, but generally we are using this y equals, means normal variable function. So that's why it's on the y. I'm gonna click x plus 5, let's say. See, even after that, you will see these options, but you don't need to enter those right now if you want to see the normal graph of x plus 5 line. So entered, now you click on draw. You will see your function. Of course, you can navigate with this and see up and down. But if you want to see for a certain window, click on this F3 button. You can set up, let's say -10, and you can click enter for the next value. Let's say it's 10. Scale, you can change, but I will not recommend. Just don't do it now. Let's say -5, then 5. Once you're done, you can just click on exit and draw it again. Now your values will be from -10 to 10 and -5 to 5. So, and let's say you want to find out some values on this function. So click on G solve F5. You want to figure out root, max, minima, y-intercept. Okay, let's go with y, or intersection, or y calculate. This is something where students struggle. We don't know how to find out y values for certain values of x. Let's do it. Y calculate. I'm going to click on F1. Now you just need to enter x equals to, let's say, 3 and click enter. So the value will be seen there, x equal to 3 and y equals to 8. Let's try again. G solve, go further, y calculate, x equals to, let's say, -2. Yes, you get 3, right? You can repeat it sorry, F5 for forward X calculate. Let's say